Friends, the world is full of millions of wonderful creatures, some of which possess such amazing abilities that they have human beings astounded. But in today's video, I am going to talk about such hidden and rarely known animals that almost no human beings knows about. So let's start our countdown, and don't forget to subscribe World Phantom and press the bell icon to never miss a new useful video. Number 9. Leaf insect friends. If someone had to turn you into a statue, how long would you contain the statue-like pose? Perhaps for a short period, as it is extremely difficult for a human. But leaf insect is a creature whose body remains completely motionless for a unusually long time. When you look at this creature, even human beings get fooled by it, thinking it to be merely a leaf. As a matter of fact, leaf insect is the favorite food of various birds and wild animals, and this is how they manage to survive. As soon as they feel any danger, their entire body transforms into statue. They completely look like a leaf, such that even if one touches them, they do not suspect that they are indeed an insect. They are entirely harmless insect, and they feed on the leaves of trees, spending their entire lives clinging to trees. Even their eggs are extremely quiet, and it is very rare for their young to move. It is truly wonderful insect. Number 8. Leaf butterfly friends. You have seen thousands of beautiful butterflies in your life, but have you never probably encountered such as wonderful and invisible butterfly as this one? The moment you will see this butterfly, you will assume that must be a dried leaf fallen from a tree. But this is really amazing and very rare butterfly. It is very hard to find this butterfly in the jungle, as there is one possibility for finding this butterfly while searching among leaves, and they are only found in Nepal, Bhutan, China, Thailand and Vietnam. Although the inner side of the wings of this butterfly is very colorful and attractive, but the outer side seems to be of a Madagascar has many rare and wonderful animals. The Mosai's tailed gecko is a very peculiar animal which ordinary humans cannot even see due to animals' perfect camouflage ability, and they appear to be part of the tree branch, so it is said that even if you touch it, you would not know it is an animal. But this gecko turned into complete statue on the detention of any danger, because it appears exactly like a tree branch, so nothing seems to recognize the animal. It is said that its length is about 20 centimeters. It can ever look like the bark of a tree, so it can ever hunt very easy. When an insect goes near its place, it considers it to be a tree and is caught. Number 6. Leafy seed dragon. Normally, when any fish has to lay eggs, hardly any of its babies survive because they fall prey to bigger fish and other creatures. But in the deep ocean, you can find one creature that has the ability of such excellent camouflage. The leafy sea dragon is a sea animal which looks like a fish, although it is not really a fish. When leaf sea dragon is born, its leaf is full of danger, but from the moment it comes out of its legs, its entire body is covered with a transparent layer, and this body remains like this for quite long. This is also said to be nature's given defense system for this animal, and to make this surprise more astounding, the inner side and part inside body of the animal are also transparent. Number 5. Octopus. Mimic octopus. An octopus is already among one of the most dangerous animals of the sea and has 3 hearts, but the almost peculiar kind of octopus in the mimic octopus. The biggest surprise in the although normally this octopus is brown color, but due to activated hidden power within its body, it immediately changes its form to become a perfect imitation, which was astounded scientists. The reason why these octopuses can assume such perfect form so instantly is that the skin is made up of tiny cells that are able to transform color from one type to another, just like the magic, and during situation of danger they turn white color, whereas while hunting their bodies turn entirely red. The great surprise in all of this is that scientists believe that they also have the capability of dreaming. Number 4. Pygmy seahorse. You might have always heard about the various kinds of fish and animals present in sea, but you would probably not even have seen this really small tiny sea creature who are actually seahorses. It is about 2 centimeters size and is mostly found in Indonesia, Japan and North Australia in sea at depth of 10 to 40 meters. Its really mystery is the way they hide themselves, such as not even a human being can identify them. Pygmy seahorses generally spend their whole lives in corals, and that is the reason why their shapes also becomes exactly like coral, and it becomes impossible to recognize them even in hand. Initially, scientists were not aware that they can change their color into 2 different varieties, but a 2014 experiment proved that a pygmy seahorse, when placed near a sea plant of purple color, instantly turned into a perfect purple colored seahorse. Number 3. Mosey frog. In wet and marshy areas, you will see resemble moss. Mosey frogs are found in Vietnam, and at first glance you would have to guess which one is actually Moses frog. They are almost as close to moss plant as part of them. They generally have a highly uneven skin that makes them indistinguishable in any such surrounding. This happens especially in humid forest. These frogs often hunt insects. Their length is up to 8 to 10 centimeters. It's quite rare to find. Number 2. Decorator crab. Another creature is the spider decorator crab that is found in California, Thailand, Philippines, Maldives, Indonesia, and Malaysia. These are small crabs that are very tempting to many sea creatures, and predators are always trying to find them to prey. Initially, it has a weird-looking, bumpy body that makes us doubt if it is an animal at all. These crabs often grow a moss-like algae on them, which changes color very rapidly in their surroundings. So finding this creature is extremely difficult. As soon as it's approached and any moss plants, it disappears instantly. Number 1. Pink-winged stick insect. In our world, there are so many insects that can hide their body color and shape so well in trees and branches. This is where pink-winged stick insect comes. It is said to possess such good camouflage abilities that no one will ever be able to detect its existence when it is at rest on an tree, although even if the wind is strong.